Alright, let's see if this actually looks real good. Anyway, zoom out. There we go. So this is the main wiring harness that comes in, and then let's see if we can see from back here. You got a gray wiring harness, and in the far back, go over this. There's those two wiring harnesses. 1, 2. I can only assume that those are for weight because of the way the person's sitting in the seat and puts the weight on there. But let me back up here, see if this will stay right there. There's another wiring harness. Let me just come to the back. It's like right over here. It's right there. That's another wiring harness. What does this one do? They do feed up into the seat. So I don't want to disconnect anything until I understand. 1, 2, 3. This one makes 4. What do they all do? Take a look at this, I guess, and try to figure it out.